Hey, this is Noah Ward, your Northport Realtor, and today we are taking you on a tour of this brand new construction house in a very quiet location in Northport. I'm super excited to share with you today this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just under 1,700 square feet. And just to reiterate how quiet the neighborhood is literally there's no traffic and it's super quiet, and I'm super excited to share it with you today. But before we jump straight into this house, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, ultimately that is our team's specialty, is helping out-of-state buyers just like yourselves make the move as smooth as possible from wherever you're coming from to here in Northport or Sarasota County in general. And if you guys want to know all the ins and outs about being a Northport resident, such as some of the best restaurants, some of the local attractions, where would your friends and family stay, some of the hotels, where the nearest beaches, and all that information that a typical Northport resident would know, I actually created a special Northport buyer's guide that you guys can download. It's in the description down below, completely free to you guys. You guys can download it, you guys can check it out before you even make the move to Northport to make sure that it is the right fit for you. So with all that being said, let's jump in and let's show you this house. So what did you guys think of this house? Is this somewhere that you can actually see yourselves living here in Northport? And I want to ask you this one question. What was your favorite aspect of this house, and what was also your least favorite aspect? Like for me, my personal favorite was that large walk-in closet in the primary suite. It was absolutely huge. So many clothes could fit in there, right? So I want to hear what you guys have to say about what your favorite aspect was and what your not so favorite aspect really was of this house. And now it's time for you guys to guess. What do you guys think this house is priced at? I'll give you a minute to just think about it right now. But after seeing this entire house, seeing some of the upgrades that they did to this house, what do you think is the overall price point of this? So if you guys guessed $400,000, you guys would be correct. It's sitting just under $400,000. So it's a great price for this amazing house with the tile flooring going throughout the entire house. No carpet in the house. So if you hate carpet, This house does not have it. So if this was the house for you, if you guys want more information on that, you can reach out to me with my information down below. But also, if you guys want to look at other new construction houses or maybe looking to move in the Northport area, also reach out to me. But also remember at the beginning of this video where I did talk about we have a buyer's relocation guide so that you guys can know all the ins and outs about Northport before even moving here to see if it is even a possibility or even something that you would be interested in. So I know you guys are absolutely gonna love this guide, so check it out. It's in the description down below. Remember, it's 100% free. But once again, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you guys want to keep up with all the Northport news and house tours. But until next time, we will see you guys all on the next house tour.